aggressively short on rejecting candles, but ever since all the news came out with Tesla right now, with Michael Burry shorting, I have really refrained myself from shorting on green candles because Tesla is super, super scammy lately.
What's up, everybody?
Yo, yo, yo!
What's going on?
Your head still hurt from that heavy mace?
That's hilarious. Get you back.
My back still hurts from the Morning Star.
I bet it does. Man, let's see. Sorry about the late start today, guys. What are you going over right now, Manny?
No, I just went over like this. I got on pretty much like at 8:50. Just I was going over what I'm watching, which is just Roku and Netflix, Roku and Tesla, and then Netflix as well. And then Justin is literally watching the exact same thing.
Oh, really? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess I'll just go over some top headlines. And do you any price target raises today?
No, for like cool crazy moves now.
All right. Well, that being said, let's go ahead. We'll get to the news. I have I think I have a non-big beta watch list. And I have a couple of small account plays that I may not be taking myself. But those of you who are using the small account, I do have some price targets. It should be relatively easy. Well, say easy, it's never easy, but it does look like a pretty high probability play. That's corn. I know you guys have played it up to the upside with me, but futures, I mean, it's rose to all-time highs, so I'm thinking we'll see a leg down out of a double top, but I'll go over that in just a minute. All right, so let's see here. Right off the bat, I'm going to just be really going over like headlines that are actually going to push momentum. Just not like CNBC headlines. So so Uber, I saw them this morning. They're acquiring the remaining 47% interest on PotterStocks Global. I believe that's a deal that's going through with them. Nokia, they had some news. Nokia 5G private wireless networking moves from trial to permanent deployment for Lufthansa Technik, which I think is obviously a foreign company. Let's see, HPV, Hewlett Packard Enterprises acquired AI to accelerate, or determined AI to accelerate artificial intelligence innovation with fast and simple machine learning modeling. I didn't mark an alert on HPV here this morning, and we've already gotten a nice move from this level, but I am watching for a potential rejection, but it has quite a bit of room to run. I think it hits 15, and it may be spurred off of that news. On every single time frame, this thing is very much oversold. Here on the daily, you can see it's just been kind of plummeting out of what looked to be a very obvious rounded top. So I do have that one on watch, showing a little bit of selling weakness. Not much here to talk about on the MACD. So I do like that one potentially as a rebound play at a minimum up into to hit that resistance. So should be a good bounce play. Let's see here. MicroStrategy acquires additional Bitcoins, now holds over 105,000 Bitcoins in total. That's MSTR. Yellen, Powell, Gensler to attend a meeting with Biden today. I don't know if that is public, but I do know that there could be some implications coming from that meeting. Let's see here. I did see that Kroger got a couple price target raises. I don't know if you saw that, Manny. But this one actually has another small account play. This one has a potential little flag here. I do think that this one moves higher. And it's always in correspondence with analyst opinion. So it's been consolidating here. So watch this one over 39 today. I think this should be some good money there if we do get a move to the upside. You can see a lot of weakness here on the MACD and even a little bit of divergence from the RSI. So last night or before the bell, Wall Street futures rose after a hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve last week led to blue chip Dow and benchmark S&P to their biggest fall in months. European stocks were little changed after a slide in the bank and mining shares. Japan's posted its biggest drop for 4 months, guys. The Japanese market is tanking.
Yeah, that's true. It is. You're not screenshotting, by the way. That's why AUD JPY has been taking a dump.
Yeah.
Sorry, no, it's the other way. JPY AUD has been taking a dump. AUD JPY has been going up.
Right. So
if you play JPY pairs, this is literally the perfect chance. But yeah, like Georgie said, I wouldn't go so bearish on Japan. Don't bet on them. Trust me, you're gonna get squeezed.
Yeah,
you'd be surprised.
I think if any market that I would try and stay away from shorting would be theirs. You can't get away from the GameStop shit over there.
Nope. You will be squeezed.
You will. So gold prices, those rose while the dollar slipped. Oil edged higher, underpinned by strong demand during the summer driving season and a pause in talks to revive the Iran nuclear deal that could lead to resumption of crude supplies from the OPEC producer. Let's see here. Again, PSTH billionaire investor William Ackman's company signed a deal to buy 10% of the UMG Taylor Swift's label for $4 billion. The company said on Sunday, UMG, which is being spun off by France's Vindivi, I'm not going to try that again, will compete its planned Euronext Amsterdam listing in late September. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, that's right. So PSTH said it will distribute UMG shares to its shareholders only after the completion of the listing. So if you guys own PSTH shares with me, you will be receiving. This is actually a one-of-a-kind deal. I don't believe this has ever been done before. But you actually will receive shares of UMG. So that's going to be pretty cool because I wasn't going to buy them. Let's see here. Oh, that's right. Another big news. American Airlines Group, American Airlines, on Sunday said it would cancel around 1% of its flights in July to serve a surprise uptick in travel demand. So that's actually, I mean, it sounds bad, but it's actually their demand is up. They just have to meet that demand. So I'm sure hiring and stuff like that. But let's see here. The airline struggles with unprecedented weather and labor shortage. So some of its hubs said that they would bring additional resilience, said the move that they're making right now would bring additional resilience and certainty to its summer operations. So these things are obviously just an adjustment to meet demand until they can meet full demand. So it might be worth watching today. Let me take a look at AAL. Actually, that one's at a pretty gnarly downtrend here. Keep your eyes peeled on.
Isn't it ironic though, dude? That headline. I read it this morning. I pretty much started laughing when I read it. It's so ironic. Last year, we did not have enough demand to keep up with the airlines. Now, we have actually a supply.
Oh, wow.
And the thing is that they don't have workers to meet the demand. That's insane. That is the most crazy. Bro, if you told me 3 years ago that this is going to happen in the span of a year, I would literally tell you, what are you smoking, bro? Like, what did you see that you are saying this? Because that is the craziest thing ever, dude.
Yeah, it sounds like it's like 1 a.m.
It's an oxymoron, bro.
Well, like you're outside of a bar and this guy walks up and he's like, dude, I am from the future, man, and the virus is next year. It's going to be crazy. Everything's going to be shut down, and then it'll be right back to normal. Demand will be insane. By the way, Donald Trump is president.
Then there won't be nobody wanting to work. It's crazy.
2018 or 2017, 16 me would be like, sir, would you like to fight? Get out of here.
Sir, would you like to fight?
Please get out of here with your craziness. But actually, guys, keep an eye on... if you guys are looking at my chart, AAL actually looks as if it's going to try and attempt a break and downtrend today. I think a good starter entry would be right around this price, right above 22.50, and then seeing continuation past 22.75 with volume, of course. Small accounts, AAL definitely on watch today for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and set some alerts down here on the 5-minute. You guys can see here. This one might be one that we can take right at the bell. In fact, for small accounts, anybody on TradeStation, that is likely where I might put my money into weeklies. I might try and hit the 2250s right at the bell. So, of course, we need to see corresponding movement from the Dow, which brings me to major index review. So we're just going to go over the charts here on Dow or on SPY. So I somehow didn't even see this, but Manny, I know you have SPY up against support, correct?
Yeah, SPX is against a trend line support.
So I actually have it under support. We'll have to compare and contrast. I'm sure we just have different perspective. I don't know if you see my screen right here, but this is just going off of COVID lows. So off of that bottom.
Oh, okay. Probably that's why.
I think you might be running yours from here, which is still correct. So I mean, there's still there's not just one support line. So is that it? Yeah. So I see exactly where you lined yours up right there. Basically. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah, I see where you lined yours up. You ran yours off of October's low.
When I find the line, I'll tell you. I'm still looking for the line. So many lines. No, actually, yeah, I ran it off COVID lows. That's the first point. The second point is October.
Okay. So yeah, this would be though you're very, very much correct. This would be the last and final. Let's see. Hold on one second. So yeah, futures have two massive wicks bouncing off of that to 413 level. I think if we just keep this simple here, I'm going to draw a downtrend from this high. Look at that wick. Oh, I love that. So SPY could see a decent push to 420 this week, or even just 419.50 being moderate and retesting that previous support that we broke. So, oh my God, that's hilarious. That meme. Wow. So anyway, SPY, watch for a rebound today. Of course, we're going to want to watch the first target of 418.15. That's usually where I like to see a break of downtrend, or not break of downtrend, but a break of that moving average on the hourly. And then we have 419.15. It does look like SPY is making a 15-minute inverse head and shoulders. So those of you who do play SPY, watch SPY above looks like 417.20. Above that level, you could see a decent push immediately, or at least today, if we end up bullish, to 419.75. That's going to be my price target for today on SPY. QQQ. All right. I remember when I first started trading, I was like, what are the people talking about? QQQ? Like, what is this?
Nope.
The spider. So this one looks, I actually have seen this before, where it breaks support and it makes a flag, or breaks resistance and makes a flag here. Looking at the daily on the Qs, it actually is held up a lot better than SPY, which scares the crap out of me and makes me feel like it's definitely going to dump. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But looking here on the daily, let's actually go to the 4-hour time frame. Again, you seem like you have a pretty well-established downtrend here, but it seems rather controlled, kind of tapering. Nice wick here, bounce off of support, back up above the 20-day moving average, and very little weakness on the weakness on the sell side here back on June 16th of last week, and then of course starting this week, or finishing the end of the week last week, we also finished with similar movement. So yeah, so we'll look at PayPal here. I'm going to go ahead and get SPG declared a 1.40. Oh, dang, that's a nice dividend. Okay, so Qs, and then we'll get to the Dow, which is really hurting here at a major support level, getting close to a major support level. If you pull a horizontal ray here and lay that down, you could even run it on the wicks. You can see that we're just a couple points away from seeing a major pullback on the Dow. Everything looks like it may tip over. And so with that, guys, if we bounce and have a great day today, then watch out tomorrow. And I'm just establishing this now. I am not looking to put my money into a lot of long-term things right now at all. I have to at some point just take, the trade if I see the trade set up, but there is no way that I can predict an overnight market crash or anything like that. So I will have protection on anything that I take, but I am playing lightly today, and I'm looking for lucrative day trading opportunities, whether that just be high momentum and volatility in a specific sector or stock like AMC or Wish or something like that. So no, we did not cover in a video, but we will really quickly. That being said, I'm looking at Dow here, and it looks like go ahead.
No, I just want to say I have some bounce levels for Roku. I posted them already, 365, 363, and 360. Remember, what needs to happen is the bids, when we start getting to those levels, right? So if the bids is 363, that's what you're watching, and the bids are at 363.20 and going down, you need to see them jump. You can't see them break 363. They got to get to that level, lower, and then just jump up and just not reach that level again. That's a bounce. They're insanely risky, just an FYI, so be careful. I'll say I take the bounce. You're good. I'm good.
33,100. Worded that weird. Sorry. The 200-day EMA right here on the Dow. That is in perfect correlation with this channel that I think I'm pretty certain I see right here. You can see the Dow's kind of trading in a channel. So we could be in store for one more leg down, or we end up getting our bounce today. So I'm looking at another leg down potentially, but watch out for like I said, American Airlines and stuff like that. So anyway, as far as watch list today, guys, I'm watching ChargePoint. Thank you. This one it's kind of at the top, so I'm willing to take this one both ways. But it did have a decent gap up, starting to pull back here in pre-market. But I am watching this one potentially for another leg up. We run our support right here. Oh, where did it go? So you can kind of see that we're flirting with that support right now. I'm going to have to move this over.
Guys, one thing to note also, I don't remember mentioned this. If the ETFs are selling off, do not bounce any trades, right? You need the ETFs to be moving up, so that could literally give you that bounce. If not, you're going to sell off. Just want to throw it out there. If the Qs decide to sell off and open red, no bounce on Roku.
That's why you have to watch those ETFs. Also, guys, a good thing to do is focus on one trade. That's really hard to do sometimes when you know there's going to be movement in certain stocks. You want to catch them all. Figure out which one is your most high probability trade and focus on that one first. Anyway, charge point, I'm watching that one above 3370 or 3365. I have an alert set there as well. PLTR, I'm watching this one. Let's see here. Definitely a nice setup here in pre-market. If you take a peek at the 15-minute time frame, it does look like we're breaking downtrend. So I am looking to potentially trade this one. I think meme stocks may run today. So I don't know if Buzz is going to show any. No, it doesn't show any collective movement. But AMC is gapped up a decent bit. Hasn't made like a significant new high. But there is a lot of talk, just so much media coverage on this subject, so just definitely watching all of these, really, AMC, and that brings me to Wish, which is also on the playlist. This one is obviously cheaper, and I've noticed that Wall Street Bets is focusing on these cheaper ones. They'll run the cheap ones up, and then there'll be like a deciding factor if they're really going to adopt it. I mean, AMC went through the same breakup period where it ran with GameStop and then dumped, it went all the way back down, filled a gap, and then, just ran right back up. So Wish ran up, pull back really far, actually has certain aspects and qualities to their business that investors like and actually have a decent sentiment on. So watching Wish today, you guys can see in pre-market here, shorts trying their hardest to bring this one down, buyers definitely keeping it up. So I'll be watching this one with volume above 12.15. I think with equity, those of you who are scalping, this one could be a good play as well. And like I said, I'm going to be setting an alert on this one. Oh, I just got an alert. Oh. Wait, which one was that one? Oh, AAL. I just got an alert on American Airlines. Already making that leg up already. So watch it above 2250. Again, we need to see the Dow move. But American Airlines has that 2250 mark. If it breaks that and it has good volume, which it looks like it might do here in pre-market, not quite sure, we'll definitely look to take this one to the upside. So. All right, I know we wanted to look at NVIDIA. So to keep it simple, looks like you can draw a downtrend here. No, that's not it. It kind of looks like a little head and shoulders, doesn't it? There we go.
All right, we got like 6 minutes.
How many minutes?
6 more left.
No, it looks like that resistance will be end up. So it looks like I don't think that NVIDIA is going to end up falling after making such a significant run. And I'm trying to make sure that my resistances and supports are correct. But it does look like we're kind of building a little bit of a flag on NVIDIA. So I would watch NVIDIA above 740. Looks like I got that mark at 743.25. That's the 9-day moving average. It may see a bounce right around this 734.50 mark. Let's see, set an alert there. And then above that 9-day moving average. So break above 744, and then of course psychologically, the 745 level. You should see 750. 750 would likely, with all obviously just anything is going to continue moving on high volume with correlating ETF movement. So for sure keep your eye on that one. PayPal. Oh, wow. Okay. So PayPal's been having a strong run, it looks like. Obviously. So it looks like you were trying to make a pennant here in pre-market.
Ken, all I mentioned on Tesla was that there's like a huge supply from 625 to like 628, 629, which is pretty much that zone that I have. I would wait. Excuse me. I would wait to take it over 630. That would be the ideal breakout. I wouldn't really take Tesla below any of that. You could take it from pre-market high to 630, but that's like a dollar move. That's not even worth it.
Yeah. So 7. Honestly, I think PayPal's going to see a little bit of a pullback. So watch PayPal.
Watch 280. That's the level.
Oh yeah, literally. I have 280.50.
Yeah. 280.50 is fine too. Literally, have the same exact 280.50 too.
Perfect. Yeah. So that's exactly. I thought it said that I was live on TikTok right now. I was like, how? I'm not on TikTok.
Alright, so guys, I think that the Qs are going to open a little red today from what I can see. Expect a small rotation if that happens.
Yeah.
Qs open red, we're going to see Boeing take off. I'm telling you right now.
Okay, so just to add to that statement, which is badass, look at the gap. Now, you can possibly say this 5-minute wick fills it and touch it. Look at it, touches support. This might sound like a conspiracy theory, but I'm going to say it anyway. So anytime I see giant wicks like this in pre-market, I have noticed, right, and I'm just simply giving you guys my observation. This isn't in a book, isn't a fact. But when I see these wicks, a lot of the times you'll see that movement to the upside. So you see here we open up and we do, in fact, move to the upside. Here in pre-market, you can see like a massive wick to the downside, which would lead me to also believe that we would potentially fill this gap and retest. So we have a nice setup here on the Qs, but I think that it needs to go hit support one last time. If this doesn't already count as a support bounce. But I do believe, in correspondence to what Manny said, that especially below 247.35, we will likely see a gap get filled to 241.85, and then below that, I think my target would be around 241 flat. So if we see the Qs sell off, those of you, anybody in a Roku swing, if you're long and you guys want to hold it with me or hedge yourself with weeklies, you're more than welcome to do so. You make sure to exhibit or put in your own stop loss if you have one, and if you don't, you need to figure out what your stop loss is. What are you willing to cut at? So BA, nice. Okay, so you guys are watching Roku as well, so I'm kind of
Yeah, I'm watching Roku. You're watching it too?
Yeah, I am. I swung it.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
I'm watching Boeing just real quick. Bells about to ring. I'm watching Boeing above that pre-market high. That's also Friday's high. Ideally, 240 would be the first break if we get that one, and then after we get that break, 242 is my target. All right, patience, guys. No rushing into anything. It's Monday. Let's not start off the week with a red day. Just giving that out there.
Yep. Again, guys, small accounts. I'm looking to take AAL, also PLTR, above 25.35. So I've got all of those on watch.
All right, good luck, everybody.
All right, good luck. All right, immediate downticks on everything.
Yep, it's great to watch.
Yeah, that was pretty gnarly. Oof, wish. Okay.
All right, BA's trying to move.
What are you doing, AAL? Pretty gnarly support there too.
Eyes on Boeing. Not in or anything. Roku's also starting to move.
Yep.
Roku didn't pull back like I wanted it to. ATR just broke on Roku.
It just bounced off of 263.95, which was the 20-day EMA.
Also a pivot point.
Yeah. What are we looking at flow-wise? Looks like we got Uber flow coming in already.
Boeing starting trying to move.
Not getting that same move from AAL, but Boeing. Are you guys playing it to 240?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because that's likely what I would expect. Neo, guys, going back down. Those of you long on Neo, below 46, you're going to want to hedge that. I don't know if anybody, I'm not sure if anybody's still taking Neo long, but.
PayPal heading down. Got to bounce on 280.
I'm watching AAL here. Neo, strong downtick. Roku trying to bounce. Did you really just buy Apple calls just to buy them? Oh, you really did that. Right.
Roku's trying to hold off, guys, but look at what I told you. Look at the cues. Exactly as I figured they would. Look at the cues selling off.
Anybody short him?
Roku's trying to diverge, though.
It is very much trying to diverge, guys. This is awesome. What are we doing, Riz?
I'm keeping my eyes on Roku over 370, which is extremely risky with the Q starting off. I'm expecting a bounce pretty soon on the Qs.
Damn, support just got broken on PLTR, guys. Back down to 2471. Neo just broke 45. Apple's falling pretty hard.
Apple's following SPY in the Qs. They're adding to supply. The New York Stock Exchange tick is ticking red, super heavy also. That means that a lot of stocks are starting off right now. That's fine. We will wait the first 15 minutes. Doesn't matter. It's patience. We need levels broken today. When we get these red opens like that, we gotta wait for the levels to be broken. Can't get in early like usual.
Yeah, and here's the thing too on Apple. This one will get you bad if you're not.
All right, look at Roku, guys. Look at Roku.
All right, I'm watching that one too. If you guys are in Roku, swing with me. I'm gonna add with Justin and Manny. All right, so they're also.
I can't fill, bro.
Raise your
I
ass
just
to
tried to fill 4 different times.
Try one more time right here on this next pullback. Okay, it's not pulling back.
Yeah, I just rejected the HMA. Hold on. I'll wait till it breaks above it. I literally tried to fill 4 times.
Oh, this is perfect, Manny. The volume. Look at the volume. You should be good to go.
Yeah. I'll wait till it breaks the HMA.
Okay. I'll buy the contract. I'm just kidding. Jeez, those are expensive. Wish is trying to
I can't
push.
fill. Gary, I'm sending the hotkeys. It doesn't fill, dude. The order just stays there. Oh, wow. Roku's gone. Congrats if you were able to fill to that.
Anybody get Roku here? I swung it, so. Wish. Okay, guys, keep an eye on Wish. Hold on, let me go look at the option flow on Wish. What is it? How expensive are we? How inflated? $13 calls, $14 calls.
Qs are still ticking red and super aggressively.
Damn, that's crazy because.
Roku opened below the HMA. Be careful if you're in.
Yeah.
Seriously, be careful.
Yeah, if you guys are in, if you're in that swing, or if you added here, let's wait for these bids to re-clear 370. I don't like that rejection, but I do like that it's holding up.
Jeez, look at those giant ticks, dude. You seen that shit?
AMC, strong uptick here. I kind of want to grab guys, this is really risky. Please don't do it if you don't have the cash to do so, if you're going to be upset if you don't end up making any money on this. But I'm going to grab a $15 call for the end of this week on Wish. It's $45. But I'm just buying it. It's my lottery ticket. So since I don't buy those either. Alright, I'm starting to see red
What a
here.
move on Roku, man. Congrats to anybody that caught it. That's all the 370 calls. They went from 1 grand to 1400, so congrats. Easily 1400 bucks. It's fired. 400 bucks right there.
Did you sell? Oh, he sold. Nice job. Good job, Alex.
Nice, Alex.
American Airlines not doing much. I don't know.
Oh, you guys caught the Roku? Nah, congrats, guys. Seriously, super happy. I gotta call Trade Station later. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You guys don't believe this. Hold on, it shows my account info. If that's not chasing Slith, don't tell me what is. Wow, PayPal, what a sell-off.
Yeah, man.
No bounce, man.
Wait, where's it at? Oof. Oh man, it's pat. Wow, it should get bought back up. I don't know if this holds up like that. That's not good. Oh man, it's not holding up. Okay. Don't get caught in the bounce though. Be careful. All right, Roku's pulling back. Neo just broke. If anybody played that one short, looks like everything's selling off here, Manny.
Yeah, they're getting that pullback. Roku was nice when anybody caught it. That was seriously, it hit 2 targets, 272 and 274. So congrats on that.
It's still holding up in comparison to the market, but the market, oh God, Baidu.
Alright, hey, watch Boeing, Garrett. Nice push up.
Okay. Where's that? I'm gonna chart. Oh my God, Neo. Goodbye.
Guys, I'm watching Boeing right here. Waiting for it to go take that opening high.
Volume is garbage on it right now. Oh, that's the hour. Hold on a second. 15-minute volume is not good either.
Wow, fucking PayPal. Jeez.
Still selling off.
Yeah, dude.
Damn.
That's because tech, bro. Yeah, the Qs are dead, bro. Tech is gonna take the fattest dump ever today, I guess.
Wish pulled back, so if anybody got that call, obviously it is what it is. I'm just gonna hold it. Neo, absolute carnage right now. Apple selling off really hard, guys. Man.
Huge. Alright, just wait for things to find a bottom. That's what we gotta do now.
To 128.85 is I think the next bottom for Apple, but man, I don't know, dude. This is looking pretty damn interesting. Roku, guys, below 364.
Yep, I got the same level.
Yeah, target there would be 362.65, and then the next leg down would have you at 361.45. Boeing, damn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna wait though. You know how Boeing is.
Yeah, I would hate to get caught, but damn.
I'll wait for the ATR break.
What about freaking American Airlines, dude? What is this thing doing?
Same way Boeing gave a giant green, I'll give a giant red right after.
Or, yeah. Let's see, it's 9:30, it's on 9:40. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those weeks where we just...
Alright, Boeing just broke its ATR on the 1 minute. Let's see if we get that 5-minute ATR break.
That looks good. Where's the volume at? Alright, I'm gonna take that, Manny. What are you taking?
240s.
Okay.
Hold on, because the deviation band is like now right there at 239. I'm seeing sellers come up on the bids.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take that right above that. The high, it's still not there yet, but...
The thing is that R1 is also 239.17.
See, look at PayPal. I mean, well, it hasn't rebounded yet, but that was a decent pull back up. Okay, American Airlines going to break 22. Guys, I don't know, man. We might sell off.
Eric, keep your eyes on. Fine.
I'm staring at it right now.
Watching Boeing right here, guys. I'll tell you when I get in. Waiting for that ATR break, ideally. When I see a hold on the bids, the next time it pulls back to 239.
Wow. PayPal. Ouchies. IV on those PayPal puts. Oh my god.
Yeah, that shit must be crazy.
Yeah, it's going up.
Netflix, third leg down. Jeez.
I think Apple might see a light down here too, man. This is getting messy already. I mean, Neo's sell-off is, you would have expected a bounce here. Same thing with PayPal. Same thing with honestly.
Everything.
Yeah, I mean, Baidu
Nothing's wrong.
is on stupid drugs.
Guys, just letting you know, I'm only buying one contract of Boeing, not more than one. I'm only buying one, 240. I'll add, but I'm not gonna buy full size position.
Yeah,
just because I don't like how the day is looking.
This is exactly what we talked about, Manny, about lowering your risk in order to adjust to the market. You know, if you're finding yourself, or there's more risky opportunities to the upside, you know, just keep it light. Okay, AMC going for a very quick and sudden gap fill. Looks like they're going to pull that one back. Wish pulling back as Cash App alerts me that it's up for the day. Investors, buy now.
Remember also today, I said it on Friday, the day after quad witching, the Monday is always a historically bearish day.
Yeah.
The almanac literally has a giant bear on today. Alright, Boeing is holding up nice. I like this doji that it's making. I'm looking at the price action. It's trying to hold nice. I'll take it maybe if it touches VWAP.
Yeah, I need volume to step up a little bit. If anybody's watching Roku, that level just got tapped, but needs to close below. Neo may end up reversing here at 45.50. I'm watching.
Eyes on Boeing, guys.
There it is.
There we go.
Nice. Got in?
I only bought one.
All right.
Yeah, I'm in. There we go. I'll add more at the break of 240.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, coming down, Boeing. Come on.
Just one. It's just one candle. Oh, you're watching the one minute.
Yeah. No, I'm holding this, guy. This is. I'm only in one contract. This is gonna be a day trade for me. I'm chasing momentum on Boeing. Look at that volume build up.
Yeah, it's set up nice. I'd like to see American Airlines bounce. Apple bounced 129.20. So now it's going back up. They're buying it back up onto support. So did we rip from here?
Let's see. Oh, Spy's trying to go green.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, if you guys are in Boeing here.
Yeah, I'm in Boeing 240s.
I mean,
my average is 332.
What? I got 340.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Train station.
We'll duke this over on the battlefield. Oh gosh.
Boeing gotta hold above this R1 pivot. If not, if it goes below the ATR, I'm cutting it.
Yeah, luckily it's Monday, so you shouldn't see too much fluctuation. It's fluctuating, but not bad. I'm down $6.
Yeah, now I'm down. I just went right on it.
I'm gonna hold. I'll wait. Yeah, there we go. Let that 9-day moving average catch up. If not, oh, Neo's going down, dude.
Oh shit, Boeing.
Yeah.
Let's see VWAP. That's gonna be my hard stop loss if we lose VWAP.
There, look at that buyback.
Let's go, Alice.
Right.
Alice.
Is it? That's what it'd be like if we traded with the baby.
That's the meeting. That's the meeting Alice on right now. They're the ones buying.
Yeah, right. Let's go. Kind of looks like Apple's gonna bounce, my guy. PayPal.
Alright, Spy's going green. I'm seeing Spy flow coming in. 421 calls. Spy, remember, has a gap fill to fill.
Give it a gap.
Has a gap to fill, not gap fill to fill.
And it has that inverse head and shoulders that we were talking about in pre-market. That one's spicy.
Yeah, Dow is trying to go green.
There we go.
Well, Dow is green. It's trying to take high today.
All right,
Let's go, Boeing.
I might grab AAL on the bounce here. If we bounce, it looks like we're gonna bounce. Come on, Boeing. If we just chop like this, guys, I'm gonna just set alerts, and today is not that day. You're not that guy, pal. You're not.
Oh, let's go, Boeing.
Yeah.
Once we break 240, I'm adding more. You can tell today's like opposite day or some shit.
Yeah,
Oh man, you're gonna hold above Friday's highs.
God dang, Neo.
I'm diggity dog.
Apple. Wow. Complete reversal on that bounce candle. Glad I didn't take that bounce. Alright, shorts. Leave Boeing alone. Alright, it's got a bounce here. I'm going to get out. I'm going to close it at break of the 239 candle close. Guys, I think Neo might see another leg down. I don't know what AAL is doing, but I kind of want to take it for a bounce play. Aw, it's a basset hound. Adorable.
Boeing, come on, look at that strength.
That's what's up right there. Watch it pop.
Let's go.
Guys, Penny people, watch Torchlight. I know some of you guys are still holding that. Nice job, Boeing. Okay. Wish, AMC, AEI. Wait, have you guys been holding that since like forever?
But they bought back in. I had a
Boeing!
Yeah, let's go. High today, Boeing. Give me 240. I just want 240 so I can buy a shitload more.
Alright.
I think Roku's trying to buy back up.
Oh, damn. HPE. Hewitt Packard. HPE. What do these contracts look like? Oh, $15 call for this week. I'll grab one of those. No, I'm going to make it July 16th. July 16th, HPE $50 calls. I'm paying for extra for protection.
Oh, Mr. Dow.
You might make more money just going in the money, if you want. But I'll grab one of those. Dude, TradeStation needs to stop putting it that my first it is my first initial thing is to sell a contract. Like, that's not what I'm doing. Please.
You need to fix that.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. The Dow just pushed high today. SPY is pushing high today as well. Trying to at least.
Yeah.
I'm going 240. And you know you're gonna go to 242. Like, stop playing with us and just go already.
Alright, I'm ready.
Remember, guys, look at the volume on Boeing. That should be confirmation enough. And also, I'm holding. When the fuck do I ever hold the trade?
Guys, I'm grabbing a 2250 on AAL for this week. You guys can go out next week if you want. That was a nice bounce. That's what I wanted to see. Let's go. Wait, I didn't get filled on
that. Oh, Boeing had a day. Come on, push it. Push 240. Stop being useless.
What is happening? SPY 417.19. Neo pulling back here. Fuck. Come on, American Airlines.
Oh, BA flow. 240 calls. Let's go. They're gonna pump up positions.
4 JD Pens came in. We were watching Pens.
lower fill than all these guys, so we're good.
Pins. That's why I didn't swing. That's why I'm just trying not to swing too much, dude. I didn't even go over Cleveland Cliffs, but this one has a great setup, guys. I'm watching this one for a pop. Watch it above 2075 with volume. I still have AAL. Let's go.
Oh, Boeing had a day. Get ready for the gamma squeeze that's coming when we go in the money.
Oh my God, Neo. Goodbye. Goodbye, my lover. When Michael on The Office sings that song, but he only sings the first 15 seconds because he won't pay for the whole song.
Oh yeah.
Anybody, I'm sorry if I didn't mention, I still have that Roku swing, guys. I have not cut it yet. I'm just kind of watching, and it hasn't broken or taken my stop loss. So if anybody's in Roku, sorry I wasn't looking at the chat. Hopefully I didn't miss anything.
Oh, let's go, boy, 240. Let's see how many sellers are sitting there trying to ruin our position. Show me your face.
Oh, let's go!
Sitting there.
Let's go! Nice move, Manny. We just tag team BA, dude. Power Ranger style.
Yeah. Power Ranger style. Go, go, power. Come on, boy. If you don't go to 280 by the end of the day, I'm scared.
Oh, God. Almost choked.
Oh, look at the break.
No, it's got to hold. Let the bids clear.
You gotta hold. God damn it, BA.
Why am I telling Manny to let the bids clear? Shut up, Garrett.
There was opposite day today.
For real. I'm gonna I feel like I want to take profit, but no.
Well, let them break. Let's get that gamma squeeze all the way to 241. This is gonna go to 241.
Yeah, I'm watching the 1 minute. Sometimes it catches me slipping. I like to bounce on AAL, but I need to see continuation, and also watch Wish. Wow, damn Wish.
I have a limit order on Boeing. Just an FYI, I have a limit order at the contracts for 4.35. Yeah, mobile's pretty weird, DJ. I've never used really mobile like that either. I think only one time to scout, and it was the most uncomfortablest thing I ever felt in my life. All right, come on, Boeing.
Hey,
watch clear on the bigs.
Hey guys, anybody still holding Roku?
Your hands are made of diamonds.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, the bids is clear, Garrett.
Oh,
we're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship.
Oh my God, two things running at once. Oh, damn. Damn, Roku. There's Roku, guys.
There is Roku.
Woo! Justin. Air high five.
His true name is Justin. Justin.
He should be our news guy.
100%.
This Justin. I'm just kidding. That's so typical.
Come on, Boeing. Push.
Dad joke. Roku. Wow. Guys. Roku.
Yeah, insane move on Roku.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that's why I like to swing into problems rather than start my day with them. I'd rather, they say don't go to bed angry, but I'd rather buy the contract and, just start it off. Start off the day with a fight. Decent bounce on AAL here.
Nice catch on PayPal, Big Stepper. I saw that move, man. Nice fucking catch.
Yeah, man. Good job. Manny, are we going to hold 240? I don't like the way. I just don't like the way that we've climbed up to 240. You know what I mean? It's
100% or nothing, dude.
It's oh my God, dude. About to peel this man off his computer.
The bids are trying to hold 240.
I gotta stop watching the 1 minute. That's my problem.
No, I'm watching it too. Trust me, I feel the same way you feel.
Alright, I'm watching now. Okay, we're good.
Come on, it's gonna go to 241. Is that right?
Yeah, the 5 minute is fine. Can't do that 1 minute without seeing the 5 or something. Hey guys, nice push on AAL if you guys filled into that. HPE, no cigar quite yet, but the hour or the 5, everything's setting up really nicely. So
all right, guys, there's some sellers showing up at 240.50 on Boeing with big orders.
All right, yeah, wow, that's where the body of that candle was. Dude, I think we hit 241.37, then pull back hard if we don't get stopped at 240.50.
We did just get stopped at 240.50 though.
Oh, we did? We hit that? Oh, okay, I didn't even see
Yeah, let's see the next leg up if it comes.
Oh, what is NVIDIA doing? Nothing.
Alright guys, I closed out my Boeing right here. I was up a decent amount. I'm not even going to wait. I'm not going to give my profits back to some short seller. I'll get back in if it goes. Oh, that was a nice patience on BA. God, that thing moves so slow, dude. Why do I trade that thing?
It's like pond water.
Pond water, dude. The contracts move even worse in stock.
Yeah.
DJ sent.
Is that a GIF? When I missed a trade with the War Brothers.
That's me. DJ took that picture from the ad on Instagram. That's me in the pool.
Somebody turned that
Dude,
black.
I was literally looking to the side that day, bro, and I was like going through all of my my trades of the day.
Like in your head.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Where do you?
How's everybody doing this morning?
Congrats, guys. Everybody caught Boeing. Nice job.
Nice job.
Congrats, everybody.
Good job.
That was a nice trade, Garrett.
Yeah, that was a new. Dude, what is my mouth doing today? I almost said that's a nude one. What am I thinking about? What's going on here today?
Hey, you see how the bids are trying to hold 240. There's some big buyers sitting at 240.
Yeah, Apple bounced so clean, guys. I'm so glad that I've stayed relatively just mostly on cash here. I do not like the rejection that I just saw on American Airlines, though. I got to be honest with you, and I really hope that this doesn't fall on the news, right? But I'll take it below 22, I guess, too, if they want me to. I'll do what I want.
Yeah, hey, Roku looks nice here, pulling back to the HMA. I'll probably take it here.
I'm still holding. I'm just waiting.
Yeah, Boeing bounced at 240. That was nice. Damn, the fucking tape tells no fucking lies. That was crazy.
Kitty good. My life into pieces.
Oh, Austin too. Nice, man. Let everybody caught BA with us.
Yeah, when me and Manny get into things, I don't think me and him have ever gotten into anything and not. Yeah, you know what?
No. Like that. We have never really took the same trade that it doesn't go.
Dude, we've gotten into things and literally had them go green in 15 seconds, like the game IV pump, dude. Like me and Manny was screaming, dude. He was like, "What? Just it's 100% now!" I'm like, "What? I just got filled." Yo, the bouncy on Neo. Watch this one above 46. If anybody caught that bounce, damn.
Roku right here. Watch it go.
Oh man.
Yeah, strength.
Oh my god, I'm so up. Let's go. HPE guys, looking like it might make a move. Wish though, definitely big push up there. Oh, Roku. All right, if we reverse here, guys, that I'd suspect on like pins, AL, Roku, even. I think I'm gonna go ahead and TP Roku, guys. I'm gonna watch this next 5-minute candle. Let's see, what does the previous dip look like? Not like that.
Pretty hard rejections happening right now.
Mm-hmm. HPE looks good. Roku got rejected really kind of harshly here, but volume today is, I don't know, it's kind of dying off now. Watch Apple, guys. That wick right there showed a lot of strength. I don't know, dude. I think we're gonna go for it. Watch HPE as well. If you guys are in HPE, I'm chilling in that one right now. What did you say? Anybody in SPY? No, but we broke that trend line. So if anybody's in those calls,
we're filling that gap also.
Nice. Boeing.
Yeah, it's trying to, but it's still. Look how long it's taking to even move, dude.
Watch this next candle though. If it doesn't break this high, yeah, here it goes. Come on, do it. There we go. You just gotta yell at it a little bit. Remind it what happens when it yucks up.
Better not yuck up, boy.
Oh god, I just got a hilarious idea. Oh my god. Manny, what do we offer a discount for people who download Chivalry?
Oh god.
I'm just kidding. Oh my god. Oh my god, Boeing. Let's go. Nice move, Boeing. Damn. Anybody leave a runner on that guy? Chris, I knew Christina does. Christina, you're killing it. I'm always super impressed whenever you're letting us know what you're doing and stuff like that. All right, guys, the mark 419.10 on SPY, if we can manage that. Okay, Boeing.
Oh, nice.
And apparently, American Airlines does not, hold on one second, does not run with Boeing.
Only sometimes.
Well, the airlines in general, I guess, aren't running together. All right, nice. Hewlett Packard looks like it might set up here. 375. If you guys are overexposed on Roku, this is where you trim, right? When buyers push it back up, and you don't, even if you're okay with losing out on potential gains, this is where you would do. You wouldn't wait for this candle to close and then see it reverse. If the candle closes like this kind of like long, it almost looks like a dragonfly doji right now. It might end like a hammer top, but that's where you would look to trim your exposure if the low volume is there. Just like the best time to cut a contract, if you get caught, right? So I filled into American Airlines right here, right? So if this thing ends up just like flash crashing, right? It just dumps on me. I'm not going to cut during the dump. I'm going to cut during the bounce, right? I'm not going to, so you have to know where your bounce levels are. All right, anybody still in Boeing? Your TP target's right up here. All right, and I went ahead and I grabbed a put on American Airlines because if we break this level here, this thing's going to continue down hardcore, so. Okay. Everybody should follow Dark Pool Charts. That guy's pretty cool. Oh my god. Jordan Belfort tweeted, "You get what you put in," and then Usual Whales put, "This is why you got put in jail." Oh my god. Oh, HPE, let's go! Those were so cheap, guys. You might see those run. Alright, AAL. Pulling back here. HPE looks like it's going to get that EMA crossover. Oh my god. I looked away for 3 seconds and Boeing's just sending it. Oil update still OHI 2. Let's look at OHI.
Yeah, Boeing. Wow, Boeing actually did hit that level I said it was.
Yeah.
Well, doesn't matter. Still, nice job on Boeing, guys.
Yeah. What are those contracts? Never mind.
They're at 425. So my limit order would have triggered probably the next leg up.
Got it. Yeah. Why is Apple not pushing? I don't like that.
At the money, Roku strikes move in 20s.
Oh my
That's
god, Boeing. So, okay, so here's a quick lesson on runners. If you guys have runners, right? So let's say you entered a 10 lot at 239, right? And at 240, which was your initial target, you're gonna you trim, I don't know, 6 contracts, right? So you've paid for the majority of the trade. Then we fought with the 240.50 level for I don't know how long, like 15 minutes. It felt like it wasn't that long, but 2 5-minute candles up against that, and then we finally broke. That's where I would trim and leave 1 right there. If, and this is the key deciding factor for me. Yes, hold oil, by the way. Oil is rebounding here. It looks like pretty strong. It might be a good time to average down on rollies with rollies obvious confirmation, but above 224.28 maybe. But on Boeing, you would be doing analysis on the volume, right? So you watching the volume. Is it increasing? Is it decreasing? If it's decreasing and you're up against a major resistance, you know that the chances of a rejection are high. So you have a high probability for a rejection, which in the eyes of a market maker would be a good opportunity to short, which you wouldn't want to get caught in. But in this case, right now, we see that Boeing's last 1 5-minute candle had the most volume that it's had all day. So chances are we'll get at least another little leg up, maybe 241.50, 241.35, and then we may see momentum slow. So that's kind of how you manage those runners. Roku, same thing. You know, like you want to be paying attention. By the way, Roku is absolutely sending it. Is anybody in Roku? Anybody swing Roku? You guys swing
I had a
Roku?
bit of revenge trading because I did miss that initial run in the morning. So I did take it on that bounce where it went to 376, that last 5-minute candle. But that was it.
Snee, you're red? What contract do you have? 380s?
You can go to out the money on Roku. Yeah, you can't go too far out the money, man. They will not move. You gotta be careful with those little cheap contracts on big betas. 100% of the time, they don't move.
So, yeah.
They're just market maker traps.
Right. So, in one way, I think Manny would agree with this. One way to utilize out of the money weeklies is when there's unusual and usually stemming from some sort of news, right? So let's say you catch wind that Boeing is about to release AI cars that produce chips, you know, like they just spit chips out of the exhaust. Like, then at that case, the out of the money calls are going to fly, you know, and you're going to see that move. By the way, watch Wish here. Equity people, I'm going to buy Wish. I'm going to buy Wish here I'm going to try and get filled at 221. Hold on. Sorry, I'm all over the place today. I'm trying to report while I manage my trades. Okay. Hey, buddy. You want the Switch? All right. Well, my asking price is $3.40.
I have $3 and...
Take the bid, Ale. Take the bid.
Oh no, he just raised the ask. He said I got $3.45. So he's just raising the ask so he can get the purchase be done. That's a big
Little market maker in the making.
You got it, dude.
He's joking to make me pay, but I don't even... And anyway, I have so many coins in my Godzilla piggy bank. Of course I can pay you that much.
I bought that piggy bank. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Wait, yes you did.
I did. It's a present.
From the comic, you silly. Wait, what did I get that on my 5th birthday? What was it?
No, we just bought that because it was cool.
Yeah, and now I got King Kong. What was that movie called? Kong Skull Island?
Kong Skull Island, yeah.
Are you sure? Why did they say skull?
I think it's the shape of the island.
Does he live in a house that looks like a skull?
Yes. Alright, sorry, I got distracted.
Okay.
Love you, buddy.
Oh, Vix is completely taking that though. I think it's making the Batman logo at this rate.
Oh! Sorry. Nice, guys. That Microsoft bounce. Yeah, so take this on orb. 261.40. Right? You can already see some wicks trying to reach up there right now. Anybody in Hewlett Packard? Also, stop loss for me, guys, is going to be $11.95 for Wish. So if you guys just bought any equity, Neo taking another leg down. Pinterest.
Oh, Roku! Wow, what the hell's happening?
I'm not looking. What's going on?
Roku's triggering trading stops left and right. Look at that candle. That's a stop loss raid.
Ah.
Yeah, anybody that had a trail stop just got destroyed.
And they see you sitting there. Yeah, oil looks like it's on its way for a rebound here. All right. Well, I straddled AAL. Looks like it's going to break 22 here. I'm kind of the same way as AO though. I kind of like to just sell my, I'll just buy the contract. Sometimes if I see it's moving, I'll raise it. I'll buy it. I'll put it out there for more than what it's worth. If it's like a few dollars,
Yeah.
it doesn't bother me. If it's a big move. All right, this may be, what is it? 10 a.m. reversal, 15 minutes late. Look at pins bounced and then just plummeting. Neo looking for another leg down here as well. Roku, guys, if you caught it and you TP'd, just, hey, I don't know why that's so weird. I literally was talking about if you were going to trim exposure on that last.
Amazon H pattern.
Oh, shoot. HPE moving up against the market, guys. Hewlett Packard. Weird. The guy has a brand new shirt with holes in it. That is so wild. Wow, look at Boeing, dude.
Yeah, dude, across the map, a lot of fucking giant red candles.
Yep. I caught the downside on AAL. I took a put out. I have a 2150 because if it breaks this level, it's going back down. I have Hewlett Packard long, and then yeah, that's really. I got Wish equity. GSAT. Oh god, I took that off my playlist, watch list. Oh god. Excuse me. Whoa, that was weird. Flow came in right when I sneezed. Baba 215 calls coming in. Do we double bottom here, or do we? Man, what a catch! I actually would watch Baba down, guys. Anybody watching Baba? Look at that. That's a descending triangle. I legitimately believe, and Manny, I don't know how you feel about this, that flow is super duper easy to buy 1,000 contracts, right? you don't need to make profit on it if you're in a short position, right? You get investors' sentiment up. Just the same way they release articles is the same way they do everything else. So, and this is in my opinion only, I do think there's a lot of flow that comes in that is specifically meant to manipulate investors. That's just my feelings on it. Holy shit, AAL. Yeah, that one's gonna reverse. Motherfucker. Look at it. Damn it, Manny. Look what I've done. That's alright.
I already closed out regardless, dude. It wasn't like, I mean, I figured the day was gonna be like this.
Mm-hmm. I'm not mad at today at all. I'm happy that we were able to walk away with gains, and we should like this.
I'm just happy to walk away green. Exactly.
Exactly. This is a great day. We should be super stoked because right now there are people right now that are clenching their desk and butt cheeks.
Listen, everybody, like I'm telling you right now, anybody that was looking for momentum today, that giant red candle, like at 10:15, that gave them the momentum right there.
Oxy, guys, watch Oxy. Occidental Petroleum Corporation going for, wow, big rebound here. Do watch Neo here, H pattern. Kind of in a weird H, funky H, but still an H. Pinterest going for low of day. 70.75. That one's going to continue its leg down. Hex says SWBI. Wow, 75.50. Nice. Okay. That one probably needs a pullback, though. Just being so overbought, but it looks great. Good volume. Guns. GSAT. Damn. Hope you guys are making loot on that one. Occidental. Damn. Big step. You got a Roku? For that bounce. Yeah, I wouldn't take that until a bounce until 369.85 if it doesn't hold here. That's what I forgot to look at. Kroger. Oh yeah, no, we already got that one covered. Okay. Ford. Oh, weird. Ford looks like it might send it today. That would be really weird. Running divergent from the market as well.
Yeah. I made a little note on my notebook. Just want to tell everybody, the market can become very aggressive this week. This week is going to be one that we really got to practice proper risk management. Just want to say that out there. I didn't size up when that 240 break on VA because I didn't like how the trade was going, and it ended up going after. But at the end of the day, it's just one of those days. Personally, I just really recommend anybody out there. Don't overexpose yourself. If you do have long positions, like Gary has been saying, hedge yourself very, very well.
And have a plan, which means and does require that you have to sit down, look at the charts, set your levels, use pivot points if you have. What's an H pattern, Steven? Take a look here at BABA. So you have the initial leg down, right? The first initial loss. And then you get a bounce, or usually a relief bounce. And it will go and retest whatever resistance that are nearby, or it will establish your nearest resistance, and usually you'll see a leg down here. You never have a complete, obviously, like a complete leg down. Nothing falls in a straight line unless it's Nicola. Excuse me. I'm going to interrupt myself really quick here. I'm watching 2:15 calls, guys. Here, cat. C8. Okay, never mind. It's in the money. Son of a bitch. That thing moves fast. All right, well, we're going to move it on up. What is the probability of seeing 217 today? 220 is the target I have on cat right now. This thing looks like it's going to bottom out. Dude, take a look at cat. I think we run 2.
I've been looking at that shit for a minute. That shit's dead, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. That's when you come back in. Do the not EMAs. Emergency technicians have been called in. Resuscitation looks like it's happening today. I think we hit 219. If you take a look at the 5, though, let me go look at the 1.
Oh, they got real good with the giant reversal. Couldn't hold 376.
Okay, I'm glad I looked at the 1 minute.
Donkey coming back as well. Yeah, everything is pretty much just letting down. I'm telling you not. Figured this was going to be today.
Oh, yeah. Cat's going to reverse. All right, glad I watched that one. Blockchain
There
to
it is.
the downside.
Headlines. Dow's comeback rally.
That's a headline?
Yeah.
Look at Cat. What the hell? All right, well, if Cat breaks 215, then I guess got a different story here. Volume is non-existent. Oh my god! I thought it was Luke and Coffee. Neo made an H pattern. Bank of America, weird pullback here this morning and then immediate reversal.
All right, yo, I'm gonna call it here already. I gotta call my broker to see how the appraisal went for that new house.
Okie dokie, man.
Let's see where we're at. Yeah, I'm still gonna. I don't know why I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna be watching charts, see if anything bounces, bro. This is sick. Like, you see the H patterns everywhere?
Oh yeah, they're literally everywhere. I have the low. See, there's the only thing about H patterns is it'll catch you with double bottoms.
Yeah, exactly.
You
Yeah,
have
that's
to
the
make
bad
it-
thing. That when you go short, that's when you get the double bottom.
Yeah, that's why. See, here's somebody said this to me, and it changed my life, my trading life. Not my literal one, but they were like, buy support. You buy support and you short resistance. And he's like, everybody does the opposite. Like, you want to try and buy so that when you get to resistance, you can make educated decisions rather than anxiety-ridden decisions. So, which, I mean, obviously, it's hard to execute that way. I mean, if you tried to buy Microsoft support a week ago, 2 weeks ago, you would have been lost like last year's Easter egg because it literally made no sense. Well, Manny, I'll see you.
Yeah, alright, bro. See you, man. Get a war later. See you in the battlefield.
Yeah, I'll see
Hey,
you.
bro.
Christina, what were you saying? Sorry. What did I probably confused you guys. Sorry. Oh, yeah. So, we short resistance and buy support, right? So if think about it from like a market maker's perspective. Okay, so we bought. We'll use CAT and we'll use the 1 minute and pretend we're not looking at a time frame. So right around this area, you know, if you're a market maker, you make a big order. Okay, big. Let's say that's it right there. Shows up on 1 minute. When you get here, right, at 214, you notice that the volume has not rose at all, right? So at this point, it's showing weakness. It is more likely that you would see, like, an initial, you could make more money by taking profit and shorting that resistance if it's weak. So, I mean, like, it's a predatory practice in a way where it's like, if you are falling really hard and you drop, a lot of people are going to initially jump to the short position. Low interest rate and low inflation rate. Oh, God. Here goes the market, guys. It's going to pump. So, yeah, get that man some bipolar pills for real. So whenever you're in those situations where you're looking at support, where some people may short, like let's say we see this H pattern, right? Yeah, that we want to wait and see if we get a bounce, because for the most part, you will always bounce at support. Always. You'll always, even if the candle ends red and just completely falls, you'll always bounce. So all in all, it's just basically like, make sure that you're evaluating volume and stuff like that when you're looking down at the bottom. Re-enter when you're looking down at supports and resistances. Weak resistance volume is good short opportunity, and big volume down on support usually is a sign of a bounce. Watch Roku above 373.05. Yeah. Sorry, I ramble on sometimes. Make sure I didn't confuse anybody. Okay. That looks like... Yeah, Baba may... See, this is exactly what we were talking about. Baba, look at the Baba bounce here. Look at... Oh, Smith & Wesson's still pushing. Wow, GSAT. What happened to Doge? Oh, well. All right, watch Roku close here. Look at the volume. It's not showing up yet. ASUN. Guys, I'm going to be taking a break here. Well, not even a break. I have a good... My guy calls out. Sorry, reading what Manny said. Yeah, Asana looks pretty good right here. Anybody listening or playing Hex call right here. 59.15 got broken and it is on its way to 60 right now. Kid, amazing job, man. Really good job. That's awesome. Crushing it, man. Smith & Wesson is really pushing here. Nice play. Okay, AL is probably going to rebound here. Yeah, watch AAL for a potential bottom out here. Wow, GSAT moving. Asana. Yeah, F was moving really well too this morning. But watch that one for a rejection around this level because it will more than likely reject and start to taper. It looks like it's going to build an inverse head and shoulders. Could be wrong, but... How's everybody doing today? Welfare check. Oh, excuse me. Oh. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, and I will be back on around 12 o'clock, probably right around there, around the dot. If you guys have any questions, I'm on standby. I'll be here. I do have you guys' IEA or AEI, excuse me, I'm dyslexic. That one looks potentially like it could see a rebound here, so keep that one in mind. I hope you guys had a great morning. I made a plan this morning, and I have to stick to it. That is literally what I would be a bad teacher if I didn't. I said I was going to start the day, I was going to scalp, I was going to evaluate, where I could potentially put some money long. I was going to look for some hedges, and then I was going to sit on cash and watch. So things can run if they want. But I'm going to continue to watch. If you guys are in Wish, I got equity and options. If anybody got some, those the IV will continue to likely push. If any movement happens, the correlating movement will likely push your contract. So that is one where I would highly recommend, if you're out of the money, hang on to it, right? You don't know what's going to happen. But do set alerts, guys. Alerts are your best friend. So anyway, thank you guys. I will see you guys in just a little bit, all right? Questions, please DM me. Don't be afraid to ask any questions. I ask dumb questions all the time. Yeah, in our Discord, Stephen, we are. We do, yes. Okay, so Microsoft, are you in Microsoft? This would be, it's breaking out of a flag right here. John, did you take Microsoft by chance? You did? Are you still in here? All right, just evaluate volume. Oh, nice. Okay. So when is the best time to ask me a question? I just realized that my alerts for my phone on Discord were not working at all. So I don't know why, but really, hold on one second. Are we friends on here? You know what it may be, Wakaw? I see your message now. You know what it may be? It may be that you're messaging me and I'm assuming that you're on live. So that's likely my fault, man. I'm sorry. I have my alerts set though, so if you have any questions, please just message me. I'm sorry about that, man. I really apologize. I hate when I say I'm available and then somehow I'll become unavailable. So, but if you have any questions, go ahead and DM me, guys. Keep your eyes peeled on AEI. Watching that one heavy. Yeah, of course. Microsoft looking good, going for high of day. John, if you end up re-entering something or even Microsoft, wait for, see how that candle in the 5 minute is, the body is ending right where the previous bodies were. If you do end up re-entering, wait for that next candle to open or push past those wicks, and that would be a potential re-entry there with volume, of course. All right, I think that's it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.